first cut.
Beautiful.
What you think about this?
It's awesome, man.
Yeah.
This is the prettiest wood. You would have never thought sycamore. All you hear is hickory and oak and walnut. But sycamore is just right there.
All right, so what we got is 9 foot long, and let's see what we got down at the end. It's about 21 right there on the first cut. You got 29, 25, and then right here in this little section, 32. So it's only gonna get wider. So that's really, really cool. So.
Absolutely awesome.
Yeah. There he goes. Loading up over there. Oh, it is. Will you grab my tape measure? Let's see how wide it is. Oh, beautiful. Arkansas Sycamore. Day. So this is part 1 of milling this monster sycamore. We've got 36 inches across right there. It's 36 inches across right there. It's like, this is a single slab dining room table, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Big Arkansas sycamore. The couple that I've been working with has been awesome. They're having a time of their life watching this. The gentleman I'm doing this for, he grew up in this house, and he's in his 60s, and he saw this tree when he was like a 9-year-old boy, and just very special memories when you're able to do that. I'm not even able to cut this one up because it is, on the other end, it's 48 inches in diameter and too big for my saw here, so we got to figure out something. But got to get back to milling, and you'll come back with part 2 soon.